Good morning, Jackhammers, and welcome to Velvet Hammer Fitness here on Patreon. Well, I will not talk for long because, as you can see, I have been pummeled by today's workout. It is so fun. So, we are doing a bit of a ball and box workout today. So, what that means for you is you'll need a medicine ball if you have it. You could sub here for weights or sandbag, kettlebell for several of these moves, or just modify. Or do the moves without any equipment at all, okay? You will need your box or sturdy elevation if you have that. If not, sub again with your favorite plyometric move, okay? We are doing EMOMs that are just body weight. We are doing EMOMs for the ball. We're going to do a Scrambler set that incorporates a lot of the fun moves we've used from the EMOM sets into some HIIT sets. And that is about it. So it's not a super long workout, but what it lacks in time, it makes up for in intensity. So make sure you have a lot of water, you've strapped on your can-do attitude, and that you are ready to do this super fun and challenging workout with me, okay? When you have all your stuff, or whatever you think you need, I will see you in a minute for your warm-up. All right, guys, let's get your August Jackhammer challenge started with a good warm-up. We're going to start with just some knee pulls. On the left, I have a very special guest with me here today. I have a sick little girl who is at home with me, who never is up early enough to see me record, so she is going to see it today, she said. A couple more seconds here. Alright, let's switch sides. Nice deep knee bend, nice strong pull, contract your core. Get it ready to work. Two, one. All right, shake it out a little bit. We're going to do some lunges. Stepping forward. They don't have to be super deep at first. They can be shallow. You can take them a little transverse if you want to get a little bit more the inner thigh warmed up. All good. Really good to move in lots of planes of motion. One more each side, and good job. Now we're going to do some just lateral balance. You can do them coming up your space or just back and forth. I'm going to do them going backwards too. Just jumping laterally. Again, working a different plane of motion. Hello. Hello to you. Okay, let's keep them right in the center now. One more each side. Whew. All right, let's go over to your box or some sort of sturdy elevation and hit some push-ups. Tight core, pushing up through the palms. Let's do two more. All right, let's hit some step ups for our last little bit here. I'm gonna use my high box. Gonna tap. Come back down. Tap. Down. 30 seconds left. Nice slow step ups. Push through that heel. Getting that single-sided strength warmed up. 30 seconds. Very good. All right, guys. Your warm-up is finished. Take a drink. Gear up for your first 12-minute EMOM. See you in a second. All right, everybody, it's bodyweight EMOM time. This is a 12-minute EMOM set. We're doing 6 exercises. We're going to run through a certain set number of reps of them. We're going to run through that twice. So you have 5 seconds in between each minute just to kind of get to where you're going. We're going to start with push-up jacks times 10 to 15. So you're going to push up, jack. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, doing good. You can do these on knees too. 13, 14, 15. Very good. You get the rest of the minute to rest. I'm going to put on my gloves for a little bit of extra wrist support. You're doing rolling squats next for 10. These sometimes take a while to do. So if you can knock out more, absolutely do that. You have 5 seconds. Hopefully I can get my gloves on that quickly. All right, you can just do squat jumps if you don't like the rolling squat. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 2 more, 14, 15. If you did 15 with me, you don't get much of a break, sorry. Decline toe tap push-ups times 10. Here we go, I'm going to my lower box here. 1, 2, 3, tighten that core. 4, makes all the difference in the world. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one, 10. Good job. Eating my necklace there. Awesome, awesome work. Down. Star sit-ups times 20. I have to do mine at an angle for lack of space. Breathe it out. 2, 1. Oh, you got 5 seconds. So hang out or start your star sit-ups. Here we go. 1, 2, you're gonna have a better range of motion than me because I have not a lot of room. 3, 4, 5, you can just do knee tucks here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Whew. Done with that one. Box jumps times 10 are next. You have 5 seconds. I'm going to start on my smaller box. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 20 inches. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Very good. A little longer to rest with that one, but you might need it. Take your time. Your last move is going to be hip dips. Next time the box jumps may take me a bit longer, so I'll probably use my higher box. So, just letting you know, hip dips for 10 to 15, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hold plank. Yeah, just for a few seconds. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Rest. Hey, guess what? We're back at the beginning. Push up, jacks are our first move. Here we go, 5 seconds. No big deal, you've done it all before. Here we go. Push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's burning. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very, very good. All right, rolling squats. Shoot for as many of these as you can do. 5 seconds. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good. Decline. Toe tap push-ups for 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, take your time, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful job. You have 20 seconds left. I'm gonna grab a towel, baby girl. Leave it off for a second. Woo! All right. Last one. Nope. Star sit-ups for 20. Here we go. You have 5 seconds. Wipe it off if you need to. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, really squeeze, 13, fight, 14, 15, 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, last one, 5, very good, rest, get ready for your box jumps, then we'll have hip dips, and then you will be so finished with this first EMOM. Here we go. 1, I'm alternating legs, stepping down, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 24 inches, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10, awesome, got a few seconds left, we're going to do this hip dips, you can start early if you want, you have 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, let's go to 20. Last round. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Full blank. Very good. All done with that first bodyweight EMOM. We'll let our time run out. Then we'll get ready for a ball EMOM of a similar style. See you in a second. All right, guys, ball EMOM time. 12 minutes, 6 moves, set number of reps. We're going to roll through these 6 moves twice, okay? 5 seconds between each minute, just to help us get from place to place. We are starting with ball burpees, and I'm going to use my 10-pound medicine ball for this. So, come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14. Last one. 15. Whew. Very good. Russian twists. Whew. Here we go. Come down. You can float those feet or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good, rest. All right, get-ups are next. So just rest here while you can. Whew. Breathe it out. 5 seconds. Here we go. 1, 2. Putting the ball forward helps you get up. 3. So put it right between those legs. 4. 5. A lot of shoulder work here. Sneaky. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Very good. Ball mountain climbers are next. You can do more. Get up so you go right ahead. 5 seconds. We're doing 30 ball mountain climbers, okay? Here we go. 2 equals 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hardest thing about that is keeping stable. Now, we're going to do ball jumps or slams. Next, I am not going to do a slam because I don't trust my floor and my ball. Plus, I don't have a slam ball. So, if you're on a nice, good floor for slamming a medicine ball or a slam ball, go right ahead. But I'm just going to stick to squat jumps with the ball. So, all right, here we go. 1, we're going for 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. All right, we've got some extra time here. So let's just squat with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Little drops at 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Whew. The next move is pretty tricky. You can do it on knees or toes. Okay, so if you want to do it on knees, you're just going to climb up, down, down, up, down, down, okay? I'm on 5. We're going to try to go to 10. go to 15. That's 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good. Whew. Take a break. We'll have all that all over again when we get to the end of this timer. I'm going to check on my sweet pea who's laying down, and then we'll get that second round started. All right, round 2. Baby girl's doing good, so here we go. Ball burpees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try to get to 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good. Russian twists are next. Shooting for 20. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew. Very good. I think we can do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So make note that you did 25 that round. All right, we're doing get-ups next. Here we go. Remember, get that ball up here, in between those legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to go for 12, 11, 12. Very good. Ball jumps or slams for 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 squats. 1, 2, belly squeeze. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Ball climb ups are next for 10 to 15. Breathe it out. All right, here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Take this bit of rest because you have mountain climbers next. You can do 20, go for it. If you need the rest, take it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mountain climbers, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Let's go to 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Oh, very good. You are all finished with this. Oh my goodness. This EMOM, that's the word. This 12 minutes of craziness. So we're going into a Scrambler HIIT set. Then we'll be all done. So gear up for that. Take a little break. Then we'll get started. Wow. That was fun. That was a good time. Make sure for this next set you get all of your med balls, slam balls, weights out of the way because you will have some box jumps again. So just make sure you don't jump down on something that is not your mat and your feet. All right, moving the balls here, over there. Whew. And of course Kevin from Velvet Hammer Fitness is calling right now. I'll call you back in a minute, buddy. All right, so we've got 45 seconds of each move, doing them twice, and we will get started right now. You have 15 seconds. Whew, good times. Hip dips are first. You don't have to go to super screaming fast pace for any of this. You just have to get it done with good form and don't get hurt. These 45-second intervals will seem nice and short compared to doing stuff for like a minute, so just mentally it seems better. My gloves are reminding me in a very real way right now that they need washed real bad. Tighten that core. Hold your nose if you have your gloves on. It's bad when the spell is more painful than the move, and the move's pretty daggone painful. Very good. All right, box jumps. I'm going to move on to my smaller box this time, I think. I may switch it around. Who knows? I'm crazy. I've done a lot of jumping this week. A lot. Make sure you get those toes up. This is a 2 plus recording week for me. Very good. Russian twists. I'm going to use my smaller ball, my 6-pounder, because my wrist is starting to say, hey, hey girl, hey. So, and it's not like, hey girl, hey, good job. It's like, hey girl, hey, ouch. So smaller ball will help. I was doing chest presses, and I was trying to get the weights up to my chest, and of course, since I was doing it at home, I didn't have a spotter, so I kind of got out of whack on one arm with one side, and it just strained my wrist a bit, I think. So trying to give it some rest. Try to give it some rest. 8 seconds. Really twist. All right, very good. Rolling squats are next. I'm gonna do it catty cornered here. Then we'll have ball mountain climbers. That'll be a good time. Same thing with the get-ups. If you get your arms up in the middle, you're gonna have much better success with that up phase of this motion. It's almost like you're coming forward, flying like Superman. I love when I don't have to count. Gives me the freedom to mess up other things, like my form. 10 seconds. Whew. Whew. Very good. Whew. So, this HIIT set is a scrambler set. We are scrambling up all the moves. Well, not all, but some of our favorite moves from the first part of the workout. So I look familiar. Ball mountain climbers are next. You can do these slowly. That also works. A little harder to stabilize. You can always readjust. Hard to go just the whole time without having to shift a bit, because that ball wants to roll real badly. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. All right, we have one more round of this. It's gonna be fun. Going straight on into hip dips. Whew. Roll that ball out of your way. Get ready to dip. It's gonna feel great after those mountain climbers. Now, you can always do these from your knees. If you're starting to get fatigued, you will still feel a good contraction in your obliques, really in your entire core, because you're also having to hold a plank. 3, 2, 1. Last time you have to do those, promise. Love you, mean it. All right, box jumps. I'm gonna stick with the lower one just because I'm having a little trouble getting my knees up today, since I've jumped a lot this week. So you do you. You can jump straight down, or you can seize the opportunity to squeeze those glutes at the top. Imagine jumping way up over your box. That'll help you clear it, help you increase your height for a new height. Almost there. Very good. Nice work. Brush and twist using my smaller ball. Here we go. Look at your ball as you twist, or look at your dumbbell, or look at your hands. Let's turn to the side. Have fun. I'm having so much fun, I'm not talking a lot. In the zone. I'll probably watch this video and be like, yeah, you are actually talking a lot. Ten seconds. Push. You can set those feet down and pivot. Whatever you have to do. Drop your ball. Just hang on. Very good. Wow. That feels good. All right, rolling squats. Everything out of the way for you. Woo. Here we go. Remember where to put those arms. You can also do ball get-ups here, mountain get-ups, with a kettlebell or a weight. Whew. Whatever you want to do, any kind of weight. Whew. Oh, loosen steam. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Ah, deadly. Okay, ball mountain climbers are next. And then it's absolutely cool down time. Here we go. I'm taking mine oblique just to pass the time. Taking them back straight. If you're super crazy, you could take wide ones. 10 more seconds. Just fool yourself into thinking you're doing so many different things that you don't realize that you're done. Ah, very good. All right, guys, towel off. Move your stuff. You're all finished with your August Jackhammer challenge. Woot woot. And I will meet you back here for your cool down. Awesome job. All right, guys, we're gonna start off in a nice little corpse pose right on our backs. Just let everything loosen up. Get your breath back. And your heartbeat regulated. All right, let's bring our right knee in. Nose to knee. Straighten that leg. Leg out wide. Up and over. Keep your shoulder on the ground and look over your right shoulder. Knee to chest again. Knee in. Nose to knee. Straighten the leg out. Back in, out to the side. Over to the other side, shoulder stays on the ground, looking over the left shoulder. Alright, back to your back. And we're going to bring one knee in. We're going to cross it over the other, reach behind the other leg for a piriformis stretch. Good. Switch sides. Cross the left knee, the left ankle over the right knee. Just deepen your hip. And release. We're going to turn over to one side. Push our way up into a tabletop position. Go briefly into child's pose to stretch out those lats. Push your palms into the mat. Back up into tabletop position. Push your weight into your heels. Pedal on those feet. Walk your hands back to the feet. Heel toe in. Bring out here for a second. Get back up. Get a shoulder stretch. Right arm. Looking over the right shoulder. Take it around. Other side. Nice up stretch. Awesome job. Crisscross those arms. Make sure they're nice and loose. Take them up and release. Up and release. All right, guys, you are all done for today. Awesome job crushing your August Jackhammer challenge. I hope this just ended your summer in the best way, and I will see you back up at the camera. All right, Jackhammers, awesome job crushing your August Jackhammer challenge. I hope you had a ball and a box or a dumbbell, whatever you use. Hope you had fun. Now what I need you to do is drink a lot of water today, get a healthy post-workout meal, foam roll if you need to, stretch some more, all that jazz. Tell friends and family about us if you haven't yet, and as always, love somebody difficult and strap on that can-do attitude before you even try it. So remember that comparison is the thief of joy, so be happy with where you are and how many reps you did for each move, and then use this workout as a benchmark to improve for later, or to celebrate your improvement later is more appropriate. So be happy with you, be thankful for you. I'm extremely thankful for you. And whether you felt like you were having a ball or whether you felt like you were hit with a wrecking ball, this workout is over and you finished it. And as always, it is your health today and every day, so you know what you gotta do. You better hit it hard. Boom! I'll see you guys very soon. Awesome job today, and I am always proud of you.